sewed up, so I'm assuming it's cut good.
You probably need some stitches. Okay. Sweet. I'll go let them know. How old are you?
Like, what does that matter?
They're gonna ask you, and I'm gonna tell them. Okay, what's your first name? Thomas?
Yeah.
Okay. His name's Tommy. Something's going on. Okay. What's your actual birthday?
Don't you know that?
I know your full name, but I don't know your birthday.
Does that matter?
Okay, here's the deal. They don't want you on their property. Their property is all of this, including the casino and down the hill to the freeway. So you're gonna have to get in your car and take off, or you're gonna go to jail for trespassing. All this could have been avoided if you would have just gone to the hospital or given your real name. I don't know why you're walking away from your car.
Well, you died there, and
Say that again?
you had many men over there, and I wanted to.
I mean, if we didn't want you to leave, we would have stopped you if you were trying to leave.
Yeah,
Like,
I'm good. If they want to, say that I'm trespassing, okay. I'm gonna still use. There's a couple things I need to grab.
From your car or something?
And then I'll leave. So, do you need a supervisor list? Why is it super important?
Because they want you off of the property.
Okay.
Is there a
because it's all
disconnect?
private property. They want you trespassing, so you can't be here.
That's private. That's private.
Yep.
The
It's
whole
all
deal. It's all owned by the tribe.
Owned by the
Private
tribe.
property. Yes, sir. Huh?
What's the issue, man? Put that down.
Put that down right now. Put it down.
55, we have one at gunpoint. Put it down now.
Stop.
He's armed with a knife. Get
Stop
on the ground
right now. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground now.
On the
Now.
ground. Get on the ground. 55, shots fired, shots fired.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Drop the gun. Drop the knife.
Drop it,
Drop
drop
the
it.
knife.
I got the knife. That's here. Come here, come here.
To you. Come here.
Cuffs.
Go.
Fuck. Get him, kit.
Yep.
Go, I got this.
Go to 55, he's cuffed. Start medical code 3. You got another trick one?
I don't.
Okay, that's fine. $55, we need several additional units of CHP and Fortuna can respond.
I need scissors. Do you have scissors?
Code 3. Put that down.
Put that down right now. Put it down.
55, we have one at gunpoint. Put it down now.
Stop.
He's armed with a knife. Get
Stop
on the ground
right now. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground now.
On the
Now.
ground. Get on the ground. 55, shots fired, shots fired.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Drop the gun. Drop the knife.
Drop it,
Drop
drop
the
it.
knife.
I got the knife. That's here.